Good morning, everybody. Well, it's been a while on this channel, but we're out here. We're gonna go for a walk today. Before I do that though, I'm gonna feed the chickens, and boy, they got a treat this morning. Look at that, green pepper pods from last night's fajitas. Look what I got, Waddles. Look what I got. Oh, chickens drain. Look at that. And they're gonna get some scratch. Got their scratch ready to go. I need to go pick up another bag of scratch. I also feed the birds the scratch, so I go through a bag of that pretty quick. All right, I've got my walking buddies here. We're gonna go do 5 laps, and at the end of that, I'm gonna show you what I weigh. Billy, I owe you that. You got to see that just because I haven't been doing videos, that I have been losing. All right. Are you stretching? Are you done stretching? Oh, yeah? You guys ready to go? Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Kind of spooked her. Here we go. We're going to start right here. It says it's about 40 degrees. It's foggy. Perfect for my kind of walking. All right. Yes, I have stuck to my guns. I have not ate bread, quit drinking milk, no alcohol, and it's starting to pay off. Weight loss is probably because I haven't walked in probably 3 weeks. I don't think that has everything to do with it, because I've been doing a lot of work, walking back and forth to the saws and things like that. But I do need to get back out here. I made a commitment to do this, and that's what I'm going to do. And it's a good way to start the mornings, and I miss my walks. So here we are, and you know the rules. I'm going to talk the first lap, and then we're going to put on some music and do however more. I may just do 3 or 4 today, because it's been a while. And I am quite sore this morning from laying the floor in the new office. If you haven't seen that, it's on my other channel, Dogman. I'm renovating the old laundry room into an office, and it's almost done. So go check that out. All right, I'll turn you guys around so you can see where we're going. I'm out of practice, guys. All right. Where did my walkers go? Just like dogs. They say they're going to walk, or they say they're going to help you, and they don't. Whew. It has been a nice January so far. 60s, 50s, 70s yesterday. Couldn't ask for better weather. And I looked ahead. You know, you can't really trust that looking ahead a month, but they're predicting this is going to go on all the way to the end of February. I'll believe that when I see it. But that would be nice. All right. Well, now would be the time to get in there with that weed eater. Well, you're just right on my heels. Before the spring. Oh yeah, it's foggy. Yeah, now I think it's been since actually around the 1st of October. I quit drinking milk, eating bread. Those were things I consumed a lot of, and I don't really miss it. It's a little bit of a challenge going to the grocery store now, figuring out what to make. You know, I don't eat a lot of, I just haven't been eating much. Been eating a lot of beans and chilies, and made fajitas last night. A lot of veggies. I have not ate any frozen foods, frozen pizzas, any of that. Nor will I. It'll feel a whole lot better. So stick with me. I said when I started this channel it may take a year, but we're going to lose it. And I've got a good start already. Look at the fog. Where'd you come from? See, I don't walk. Stuff gets in the way. How dare you get in my trail? Alright. Well, see, my trails aren't grown in yet. Still got them. Alright guys, let's do 2 more. We'll put on some music. Get to the end of this trail. That'll be the end of lap 1. And we'll just start off with 3 laps today. I start doing any more than 5, I get bored. And I really ain't got time. As soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to try to get this video up and get back to work on the office. I'm a busy man. Alright, that's the end of lap 1. Let's pick a few good tunes and jam out. Here we go.
Tennessee. Oh, I got a little girl who's been waiting. Promised that she'd marry me. Mister, can we leave this seat? I'll shovel coal, Lord, to pay my fare. Gotta get this train down to the station. My little girl waiting for me there. Well, the night is dark and Lord, it's cloudy. I've been traveling there to see. Won't that low train carry me back? About 9, that poor boy's heart started overheating, sending all of his love on down. For the night is dark and Lord is quiet. I've been traveling this lonesome road, my one true love waiting there to see. Well, that long old train back. For the night is dark and the sky is cloudy. Traveling on that lonesome road, my one true love waiting there to see me. For that long old train, won't you carry me? Oh, train, 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 won't you carry me home? Oh.
Alright, coming to the end of lap 3. Main reason I'm only doing 3 is because we're going to go in and jump on the scale, and that takes time. I want to keep the videos fairly short. Alright, we're not quite done with lap 3. Gotta come out where we came in. Whew, that felt good, I ain't gonna kid you. Let's stop here. Am I a little early? That dude's fixing to pop up over there over the mountain. I love it when it's foggy like this. You look down this valley, It just lingers. But we're not going to sit out here for it. It'll be up soon enough. All right. Woo, that felt good. I can feel it down in my bones. All right. I gotta get that junk out of here. Shoot you over this way. You guys ate up all them green peppers already. Wow. It's one of their favorite things to eat. Cut the centers out of the green peppers. Yeah. All right. I'll be back in a second. We'll do a weigh-in. All right, guys. We are here in the brand new office. If you haven't watched my channel, here she is. This is the old laundry room. Last couple weeks, this is what I've been doing. And here on the brand new floor, we have the scale. I'm wearing the same thing that I wore in the initial weigh-in where I was 296.5. So let's see what I weigh today. We're going to do it twice. Now, I just weighed myself and that wasn't it. It was 265, so we're going to do it again. That has dropped from like 38, I believe it was initially. Yeah, see, 266 was the last weigh-in. Lost, let's do it one more time. Okay. One more time. Oh, I'm holding the GoPro. Alright. Well, it was 266, 265, now it's 267. So we'll go with that. So hey, man. Almost 30 pounds. Alright, guys. See, I haven't been cheating. I could probably be a lot lower than that. But I've just been busy, man. Life happens too. And as long as I'm not falling back into my old habits, I'm happy. Happy trails. Thanks for joining me.